Hey there, friends. Picture this. You're out for a walk, but your knees ache with every step, or you try lifting something and your shoulders protest. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Joint pain after 60 can make even simple activities like gardening or playing with grandkids feel tough, and the wrong exercises might be making it worse. It's not just aging. It's a real threat to your independence and joy. But here's the good news. You can protect your joints and move pain-free with smarter choices starting today. In this video, I'm sharing 3 common exercises to stop doing and 7 science-backed tips to keep your joint happy, whether you're in New York, London, or Sydney. Stick with me to the end, and let me know in the comments if joint pain's been slowing you down. This is part 2 of our Health After 60 series. Check part 1 for more ways to thrive. Let's dive in. Let's start with a big one. High-impact running. Here's the thing, running on pavement or treadmills puts a lot of stress on your knees and hips. Each step can exert force up to 3 times your body weight, wearing down cartilage over time. For seniors, this can worsen arthritis or cause new joint pain. My friend Tom, a 67-year-old from Chicago, loved his daily jogs, but found his knees ached for hours afterward. Switching to low-impact alternatives helped him move without pain. Instead of running, try walking briskly on grass or a track. Aim for 20 minutes a day. In the UK, stroll through a park. In Australia, along a beach path. In the US, on a local trail. This keeps you active without hammering your joints, so you can enjoy gardening or grandkid playtime. If you love running, use a pool for water jogging. It's gentle and effective. Your joints will thank you. Next up, deep squats with weights. Squats are great for strength, but going too low or adding heavy weights can strain your knees and lower back. After 60, your cartilage is less resilient, and deep squats can cause inflammation or even small tears. My neighbor Linda, a 70-year-old from Sydney, used to do weighted squats at the gym, but noticed her knees swelled afterward. She switched to safer moves and feels stronger now. Try partial squats without weights. Stand lower halfway and stand back up 10 reps daily. In the US, do it during TV breaks. In the UK, while the kettle boils. This builds strength without joint stress, keeping you steady for errands or family outings. Picture moving freely without that nagging ache. That's the goal. The third exercise to avoid, overhead weight lifting, like shoulder presses with heavy dumbbells. Lifting weights above your head can pinch tendons in your shoulders, especially if your joints are less flexible. This can lead to rotator cuff issues or chronic pain. My cousin John, a 65-year-old from London, loved lifting weights overhead but started feeling shoulder stiffness. Switching to gentler exercises made a huge difference. Instead, try wall push-ups. Stand an arm's length from a wall, place hands at shoulder height, and do 10 reps. In Australia, do it in your garden. In the US, during a quiet moment. This strengthens your shoulders safely, so you can carry groceries or hug grandkids without pain. If you're loving these tips, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more ways to stay active after 60. Comment below. What's one activity you'd love to do without joint pain, like dancing or gardening? Let's inspire each other. Now let's talk solutions. First up, chair yoga. This low-impact exercise strengthens muscles around your joints while improving flexibility, reducing stiffness. The science is clear. Gentle movements increase joint lubrication, easing pain. Sit in a sturdy chair, lift one leg at a time, or do seated twists for 10 minutes daily. In the UK, try it while listening to the radio. In Australia, in your backyard. My friend Sarah, a 72-year-old from Florida, started chair yoga and says her hips feel looser for her daily walks. This keeps you moving for grandkid playtime or market strolls. Find free chair yoga videos online or join a local class. Picture bending or reaching without discomfort. That's what chair yoga does. Start with 5 minutes a day to feel the difference. Tip 2. Eat omega-3 rich foods. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish like salmon reduce joint inflammation, keeping them supple. A 4-ounce salmon fillet twice a week provides enough omega-3s to ease stiffness. Grill salmon for dinner or add canned salmon to a salad. In the US, try a salmon wrap. In Australia, salmon on the barbie. In the UK, poached salmon with veggies. My neighbor Carol, a 68-year-old from Brisbane, added salmon weekly and says her knee pain has eased, letting her garden longer. Walnuts or chia seeds are great plant-based options. Add a tablespoon to oatmeal. This supports joint health, so you can walk or dance pain-free. Try One Omega-3 food daily to stay active and independent. Tip 3. Gentle stretching. Stretching keeps joints flexible by lengthening muscles, reducing pressure on cartilage. Try a seated hamstring stretch. Extend one leg on a chair, lean forward slightly, and hold for 20 seconds per side. Do it while watching TV easy. In the US, stretch during a quiet moment. In Australia, in your garden. My friend Mike, a 66-year-old from Seattle, stretches daily and says his back pain has dropped, making golf easier. This helps you tie shoes or reach shelves without stiffness. Aim for 10 minutes daily to move freely. Picture enjoying a park walk without aches. That's the power of stretching. Here's the myth buster. Stretching before exercise isn't always helpful. Many think a big stretch prevents injury, but cold muscles don't respond well, and it can strain joints. Instead, warm up with light movement, like marching in place for 5 minutes, then stretch afterward. This increases blood flow safely. In the UK, march while the kettle boils. In the US, before your walk. My Aunt Helen, a 73-year-old from Manchester, stopped pre-workout stretching and says her knees feel better during walks. Warm up, exercise, then stretch to keep joints happy. This small tweak means less pain and more confidence, whether gardening or playing with grandkids. Try it for a week. You'll be amazed. All right, let's wrap up. Stop high-impact running, deep-weighted squats, and overhead lifting to protect your joints. Instead, try chair yoga, omega-3 foods, gentle stretching, and warm-ups before exercise. These steps reduce pain and keep you moving for grandkid playtime, market strolls, or gardening. Start with one tip, like a 5-minute stretch or a salmon dinner. Imagine walking or dancing without joint pain. These changes get you there. Next week, we're sharing 3 secrets for better sleep after 65. Don't miss it. This is part 2 of our Health After 60 series. Check part 1 for more. Consult your doctor before changes. Comment, which tip will you try first? Hit like and subscribe for more. Here's to pain-free living.